Hello everyone, my name is Gaurav Singh Rathore, pursuing BTech from Institute of Aeronautical Engineering. Today we are going to discuss the topic Define the properties of lattice from the subject Discrete Mathematical Structure. The subject code is AIT C01. So what is a lattice? Let L be denoted by closed under two binary operation called meet and join denoted by and sign and or sign. Then L is called a lattice if the following theorem holds where ABC are elements in L. So the commutative law is A and B is equal to B and A or B is equal to B or A, or we can say that A meet B or B meet A is equal and A join B is equal to B join A. Then associative law. The associative law states that A and B and C is equal to A and bracket B and C. A or B or bracket or C is equal to A or B, A or bracket B or C. Absorption law. The absorption law is A and bracket A or B is equal to A and A or bracket A and B is equal to A. So duality. The duality of a statement is a lattice L and or is defined to be a statement that is obtained by interchanging and or symbols. For example, the dual of A and B or A is equal to A or A is A or bracket B and A is equal to A and B. Next property is bounded lattice. In bounded lattice, a lattice L is called a bound lattice if it has greater element 1 and least element 0. Example, the power set PS of the set under the operation of intersection and union is a bounded lattice since it is the least element of PS and the set S is the greatest element of PS. So the set of positive integers under the usual order of less than equal to is not a bounded lattice since it has least element 1 but the greatest element does not exist. So properties of an bounded lattice is if L is the bounded lattice, then for an element A belongs to L we have the following identities. A or 1 is equal to 1, A and 1 is equal to A or 0 is equal to A and 0 is equal to 0. Theorem proves that every finite lattice L is equal to A1, A2, A3 dot A1 is a bounded. So the proof is we have given the final lattice L is equal to A1, A2, A3 dot An. Thus the greatest element of lattice L is A or 2 or A3 dot A or An. Also the least element of the lattice L is A1 and A2 and A3 and dot An. Since the greatest and the least elements exist for every finite lattice, hence L is bounded. Sublattice. So consider a non-empty element L1 of lattice L, then L1 is called a sublattice of L if L1 itself is the lattice, that is the operation of L. A or B belongs to L1 and A and B belongs to L1 whenever A belongs to L1 and B belongs to L2. So example, considering the lattice of all positive I under the operation of divisibility, the lattice denote Dn of all divisors of n greater than 1 is a sublattice of plus. Determining all the sublattice of D30 that contains at least 4 elements, D30 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. So the solution is the sublattice of D30 that contains least 4 elements are as follows. First is 1, 2, 6, 30. Second 1, 2, 3, 30. 1, 5, 15, 30. Fourth is 1, 3, 6, 30. Fifth is 1, 5, 10, 30. And 6 is 1, 3, 15, 30. And the seventh is 2, 6, 10, 30. So these are the least 4 elements in sublattice of 30. So next is isomorphic lattice. So two lattice L1 and L2 are called isomorphic lattice if there are bijection from L1 to L2, that is F mapping L1 to L2 such that F of A and B is equal to F of A and F of B, and F of A or B is equal to F of A or F of B. Example: determining whether the lattice shown in figure is isomorphic. Solution: the lattice shown in the figure is isomorphic considering the map F A, 1, B, 2, C, 3 and D, 4. For example, if if B and C is equal to F of A is equal to 1, so we have F of B and F of C is equal to 2 and 3, which is equal to 1. So it is proved that it's an isomorphic. Next, distributive law. So the distributive law, the lattice L is called a distributive lattice if for any element A, B and C of L it satisfies following distributive property: A and B or C is equal to A and B and A and C. A or B bracket C is equal to A or B and A or C, which is non-distributive. So if the lattice L does not satisfy the above property, it is called an N. Example: the power set of P of S of a set S under the operation of intersection and union is called a distributive function. Since A intersection B union C is equal to A intersection B union A intersection C, and also A intersection B A union B intersection C is equal to A union B intersection A union C for any set ABC. The lattice shown in figure is a distributive since it satisfies the distributive properties. Complement and complemented lattice. Let L be an bounded lattice with lower bound 0 and upper bound I. Let A be an element of L. As elements X is L is called a complement of A if A and A or X is I and A and X is equal to 0. A lattice L is said to be a complement if L is bounded and every element in L has its complement. So here we can see in the figure example in which we can see all the elements are bounded and has a complement. Next is modular lattice. So the modular lattice L and or is also called a modular is the lattice in if A and B or C is equal to A or B and C whenever A is less than equal to C. Direct product of lattice. Let L1 or and L2 or and be two lattice. Let L A and or is the direct product of lattice where L is equal to L1 cross L2, in which the binary operation and or on L are such that for any A1 B1 and A2 B2 in L. Example: consider the lattice L as shown in figure where L square is equal to L cross L. The lattice L square is shown in figure. So with this I would like to conclude my topic. Hope you like it. Thank you.